welcome back to another episode of the Rad Skate Park check-in across New York City. Right now we are at the Sergeant William Doherty Playground, also known as Sarge'S, right here in Brooklyn, New York. Forget about it. If you're not up to date on what we're doing and what we're about, we're going inside every skate park and we're showing you the features and then we're skating. Simple as that. If you guys don't know who I am Vincent Basile from Rad Boardsport Company.
It's a episode...
Oh, 24.
Nah.
It's the episode 24. Positive. Episode 24. Did my research. Oh yeah, I am also here with Doug. What's his name, Doug?
AREVALO?
Doug Avocado, also known as Big Dougie. Gustavo Angel, also known as the Goose. And Billy Watson, the onesie. Chilly out. But come on, let's get in there. These goons, skate goons. We're not even in a skate park yet, but there's this bench right here for sitting, also for skateboarding. Right out here, so I figured I'd show it to you. Bathrooms are right here. They're open. Anthony says they're open. I just leaked on the side of the building. Go figure.
What's right next to us? Loud.
It's loud because it's the BQE 278. But yo, right off the bat, two-stair. Maybe you're trying to take your ollie down a set of stairs. The two-stair. And a massive handrail. You're probably not hitting. And we're in the park. It's chilly out today. Cold as ice. And here's a feature for you. What is it?
It's a third of a volcano. That's what it looks like to me.
Third or a quarter?
I'd say a third because it looks like a peace sign. Think about a peace sign, then you'd have another top part, another part on the other side.
Third of a volcano. So you need two more thirds to finish this volcano. What you could do here is have yourself a little mini ramp session from one end to the other. Wide open transition area with 2-inch coping built right into it.
Cruiser on the walls, get some speed, get some flow.
Absolutely. Exactly what Anthony said, you know, cruise this thing.
Gotta get those up close.
Yeah. Come on. Come on, catch it. Do it again, I'll catch it, man. No worries. Really not much on this bottom section but your transition area. Before we get too far forward, over here we have Funbox, like ledge, vanity top, slappy curb. You can either get on it and hit this thing, it's not waxed, but it looks like it's just about 6 inches right here. And then as you go down this way, it gradually gets bigger, probably a foot down there. Before we go up that way, we're gonna show you the stuff that's on this side. A quarter right up to this wall. It's concrete, it's painted. And this is cool because it's got the hubba next to it. Maybe you're getting up and you're doing a trick on this ledge. I don't know. Oh! Let's go! Ah! But then you have that area too. It's got like a little lip, a hip, a bank.
That looks fire because in your 50-50 and all you see is the sun in the background and shit. It looks sick.
It looks like they definitely slide the top of that thing. Definitely, absolutely. Bank to wall ride right here too. That's me hitting the wall ride today. And then it goes all the way around this area. And then this is a feature that we usually don't see. This like corner going into the wall.
Practice your wall rides.
Yeah, you're not kidding.
Wall ride city.
And then look, all this open space. So you could definitely generate speed, but there's a Euro gap right here. So you could Euro out, Euro in.
Yo, Dougie.
Thank you, bro.
Killed it.
And then these two massive hovers. Massive. Gigantic hovers. Will you see a clip? I don't know. Maybe. I don't know.
It's kind of high, bro.
There's a set. You could definitely send it, you know, if you're trying to ragdoll. And a handrail. That's pretty big too. This is nice. You got your plaza area, like marble ledges. Not really marble, concrete ledges. Right here, right there. On each side, right into the basketball court. Nobody cares if you skate in the flat ground. It's perfectly smooth up here on this court. Yo, Ant. I was skating switch, my bad.
It was ugly anyway.
Got that drape lift though.
It's not going in the edit.
More planters on the other side.
Yee. Yo, Vin, you leave that gate open? You better close it.
I'm not touching it. It's none of my business. Funbox, it's definitely grindable. It's got the metal built into it. Big piece of angle iron, like 5x5. There's another one right there, Ant. They're big.
Somebody hit the stairs.
Someone's gotta do it. How you doing? Ground report here. Everything's A+. Perfect. Perfect score here. What we got? Signing out, folks. I think we're done. Like and subscribe. Rad Boardsport Co. Instagram, Facebook, www.radboardsportco. Check out the interactive map that we have on our website. All the skate parks, Long Island, New York City. I hope you like Sarge'S Park. It's getting dark. Thank you to the homies. Billy, Dougie, Gustavo, Anthony, and Vinny. Just chilling, enjoying the city skyline right now. The new Kosciuszko Bridge is fire with the lights. I hope you enjoyed the episode, guys. Don't forget to ride all day.
New York Street Talk, America's best.
Ah!